To get notified when your phone detects suspicious Wi-Fi network in Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, swipe down the top of the screen and then tap setting icon, tap connection, and then tap Wi-Fi. Next, tap more icon or three vertical dot icon at the top right, and then select intelligent Wi-Fi. And then tap the gray on off switch next to detect suspicious network to enable this option. When the switch turns blue, it means that this option is on. When this option is on, your phone will give you a notification when suspicious activity is detected on your current Wi-Fi network. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.